Hi everyone and welcome to my place, continuing the wedding series, which gives my heart just a wee flutter because I am here to help those of you who would like to do their own wedding bouquets, because that's how it used to be, and I love that sense of I made that look on the wee girl's face when at the wedding people say, oh, your bouquets are beautiful, who did those? And they just say, I did. So I'm here to show you how to make a beautiful bouquet with, I've got some beautiful peonies, naturally by nature, and I've got these peonies, naturally by me. Almost as good as what nature did. But the great thing about mine is they are forever. Now, a lot of you have been saying that, can you incorporate fresh with artificial? I say if your heart is set on having beautiful peonies and nature through you three, you use those fresh ones and then incorporate the others with it. So easy. Now, as I've looked through Instagram and TikTok and Pinterest and all those places, the most popular bouquets in the spring are peonies, especially wet. Well, and that's really the only time you can use them because they're not in season for but a few weeks. So let me just show you what to do. First and foremost, get your peony. I'm going to just get these forever flowers, these forever beautiful peonies, and I've got the beautiful water lily ones, which I absolutely love because they've got that lovely softness. And the great things about these forever flowers is they're not going to drop their petals, because these over here, they will, and they can be a little temperamental, but we can fix that. So I've got a couple of those, I've got a couple of white ones here, put that to one side and let us start. Okay, starting off with the fresh. Go over your fresh flowers and see all of these leaves here. Take all of those leaves off, because those leaves are going to mark, or they're going to droop. That's the thing about fresh, the wee leaves droop. And if you're going to use, if the leaves of the forever have got beautiful leaves with them, so we don't need those. Now also look into here and have a look at anything that's damaged. I don't like to pull, because sometimes when you pull it's like unpicking a jersey. It just keeps going and going and going. So just cut those bits off. Okay, to begin, get those three and bring those into the center. It's going to be a handheld posy, so try and keep all of your stems nice and straight. If you make this too thick, it's going to be quite thick and hunky to be carrying. Right, I've got a couple of these forever. Look at that. Can you tell which is real and which is forever? It's really hard to tell. Okay, that can go into there, and I'm going to use this one and bring that over and into there, and I'm bringing the little buds down. So when I took all those leaves away, see what I mean by you don't need the leaves that nature provided, because they're not going to last anyway. Right, I've got another one of those. I'm going to bring that into there, and I'll bring that around and into there. So pretty much what we've done is we've just made this lovely collar from there, holding everything in your hand. Let's bring in, do I want that one? No, I don't. I want this one. Bring that beautiful one in, and I've only got two of those, so I'm going to bring one to that side and I'll bring one over into there. But it'd help if I'd taken the tags off, wouldn't it? Yes, it would. So why don't I just take the tags off now? And as I keep saying, it's just for demarcation. Okay, so how are we looking now? If those in the center are just a little bit too squashed down, just release the posy and push it on its side so that the fresh ones come up. Now, if you want to add more, I've got these here, so I'm just going to bring one beautiful pink one into there and one beautiful pink one over to that side. Now, hold it in your hand and have a look around to just make sure that they are all placed the way that you want them. So that's what you're left with. So all of this down here, take all of that off, because you don't want any unnecessary stems or leaves down there, because I want this to be nice and straight. I always like to finish off my bouquet with something like some beautiful leaves, and what that does is that provides this beautiful network or a collar frame or support structure to hold your flowers. Doesn't that just look gorgeous? to finish it off, I use a cable tie, and then have a look back through the channel and you'll see lots and lots of other tutorials on how to finish off bouquets. But doesn't that just look beautiful? Oh, that is gorgeous. Now, I've got those lovely flowers in there that smell. This is what you can do to bring fragrance into your forever peonies. Just mist those with a little bit of Fragrance by Astar. It's on the website. I'll put the link there for you to have a look at. So you can finish that in whichever way you want. Now, if you wanted to display these for your wedding, I tell you what I think is really lovely. You can buy these boxes. Now, I saw them on Amazon. They're just everywhere. Just get a box to the size and then cut these to the size of the height of your box, and then you could just lift them, just layer those all into there. I hope you've enjoyed that, because I've enjoyed sharing this with you, and I will see you all again another day.